Hi there, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet a star ornament. These look nice on a Christmas tree as well as a nice applique. To do this, I'm using about 30 yards of worsted weight yarn, and I like using a G hook, but feel free to use a size H hook if it's more comfortable. To begin the center of the star, we're going to start off with a chain 4, and then we'll make a slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Then we'll make a chain 3. This chain 3 will count as the first double crochet for our round. Then in the ring, make 14 double crochet stitches. And this ring is a bit small, so you will have to adjust and move the stitches a bit so you can fit all of them inside the ring. Once completed, you will have a total of 15 stitches, the 14 double crochet plus the chain 3. We'll slip stitch to connect this round. Here's how to make each point on the star. Start each point with a chain 6. Each point will be made the same way, so once you make the first one, the remaining ones follow the same pattern. We'll skip 2 chains, and in that third chain, we'll place a single crochet stitch. And then in the next chain, we'll make a half double crochet stitch. In the next chain, we'll go up in size to a double crochet stitch. And finally, in that last chain, we'll make an even larger treble crochet stitch. You can see how slowly going up in size with the stitches creates a nice triangle effect, which in turn looks nice as the points on the star. Next, we're going to skip 2 stitches and make a slip stitch into that third stitch. This will connect the first point on the star to the center of the star section. You can see how we formed the first point for our star. Going forward, we're just going to repeat what we did for the next remaining 4 points. For our second point, we'll begin with the chain 6, and then we skip the first 2 chains and start a single crochet stitch, followed by 1 half double crochet stitch, and then an actual double crochet stitch, and finally we'll make our tallest stitch, which is 1 treble crochet stitch. You can see how we have our second point on the star just about finished. We need to connect it to the center section. To do this, we'll skip 2 stitches and then make a slip stitch into the third stitch to connect it all together. I went ahead and made a third point, as you can see, using the method just shown. So then we'll need to make 2 more points to complete our 5-point crochet star. At the end, if all went well, you'll slip stitch into the last stitch to complete your 5th point for your star. And then you can fasten off and trim the yarn. Be sure to weave in all ends securely. You can put a drop of clear nail polish on the ends if you have any concerns about the work unraveling. And if you wish, you can either sew or glue on a button or a gem or some sort of bling to the center of your star. And that's it. That's how I crochet a star.